Hi, it's Dr. Rod and Bolly here, and today we're going to show you how to check your pet's mouth. Why do we do this? Because your pet doesn't brush its teeth, and over time plaque builds up until it causes really serious mouth disease. And in the worst cases, literally, they can lose their teeth. This disease isn't limited to the mouth because the poisons are absorbed into your pet's bloodstream, and with time they cause serious kidney, heart and liver disease. So how do you do it? If you're right-handed like me, you give your dog a cuddle and reassure them and give them a pat and tell them, "It's okay, Bolly, it's okay." And then you just, what we call, flip the lip. You just roll the lips back and look at the teeth. And they might even give you a lick like Bolly. And then we slide along here and look at the molars. So we've got the canines there and the molars there. And then once you've done that side, you roll the head around and check the other side. And there we can see the incisors, the canines and the molars. So here's the ideal. What we want is the teeth to be clean, white and shiny, and the gums to be pink and healthy. In Bolly's case, she's not a perfect example, and we can see a little bit of plaque on the canines and the molars back there. You're beautiful, aren't you? So with a small amount of plaque like this, it's really simple to start by altering your dog's or cat's diet. And in Bolly's case, we're going to give her dental chews over a period of months and come back and check whether they're really clean or not. In more serious cases where the gums are really inflamed, a condition called gingivitis, then surgery is required, and the vet and the nursing team anaesthetise the pet and ultrasonically clean the teeth. And this restores them to their clean, white and shiny appearance, and the gums very rapidly heal and come back to being nice and healthy. So clearly it's important to take action very early, and the only way you can do that effectively is to check your pet's mouth as I've shown you, or take your pet to a friendly veterinary team like Devoted Vets where we can check the teeth. So either check your pet's teeth yourself as I've shown you, or if that's too difficult, in the month of August we'll give your pet a free dental health check at Devoted Vets. Simply give one of our amazing team a call at the number at the bottom of the screen. So we'll see you at Devoted Vets where magic and happiness happens.